How do you feel about the storm?
I am fucking, freaking fucking good. It's so
Cool. Let's record this, baby. If I got struck by lightning right now, would you cry?
I would be like,
I
I would be screaming for help.
just wonder where we're gonna go if we get a tornado. Like, I think we're gonna die.
Look at this.
This is insane. It's right over us.
We're gonna stand in the road.
Can we? Yeah, let's do it. Hold on, let me check on Ava. Okay, just stay right there.
They're not answering at work.
Oh, shit. Right, I'm gonna power off. I don't think that's much space. Looks like that. Let's look at it. Back here, I think, is where it's worse. Oh, I forgot my phone's recording. You can't really see it on my phone. It's being a homo. Look. Sometimes you can see it.